September 3rd to 5th, 2024. The Taiwan Sporting Goods Manufacturers Association will lead 9 top Taiwanese sports goods manufacturers to participate in the world's largest sports trade show, ISPO, Munich, showcasing the innovation and excellence of Taiwan's sports goods industry. Taiwanese exhibitors will display a diverse range of sports products, from fitness equipment and outdoor gear to sports fashion and high-tech textiles. These products combine innovative design with cutting-edge technology to enhance the sports experience. Through this exhibition, Taiwanese sports goods companies will showcase their technical capabilities and innovative products, and engage in discussions with global sports brands and buyers to expand into international markets. Taiwanese sports goods have successfully entered the global market, from Europe and America to Asia, covering areas such as outdoor sports, gym facilities, and sports fashion, and are widely favored by sports enthusiasts worldwide.